Hello and welcome to the Three Exhausted Minds, episode 2. Yes, I am finally back from holiday.
Crack on then, got plenty of work to catch up on.
Alright.
So if you want to stay with us, I found an absolute bargain on eBay that we're going to go and collect.
So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, follow us along, and let's get stuck in.
Let's go. So, check for spark. So do that by pulling the spark plug out, earthing the body of the spark plug onto something earthed on the engine. Crank it over, and let's see if we've got a spark, eh? I'll find the keys, you put the battery on.
I'll put the flattery on. Finger tight. Fingers like vice grips.
Hopefully we've got a spark. Come on.
Hopefully we don't have fuel. Yeah.
Woohoo! Right,
Are we getting a
bang that spark plug in, we'll try and bleed some fuel up.
I can tell you now it's got fuel.
Smell it.
I can smell it. It's fucking beautiful. Right, is this it?
We're going for the first start.
Is this it? Send her home, brother.
Oh, this thing's got a choke, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Firing. 10.
Oh, yeah.
Get in like a Swiss rock.
Okay. We need to tune it.
Yeah.
But she's running.
She runs, she fires.
Run.
I just think we need to give it a quick map. And then,
Just a quick tune.
yeah, quick map, it'll be right, won't it?
Quick map, yeah. Who designs this shit?
It's got brake works.
It's got those anti-theft bolts in them.
It's right there. I can see it. There.
No.
Steady on.
Quality sound, that.
I can't believe it just fired straight up.
I know, yeah.
5 litres of fresh juice and it's fucking purring, isn't it? Ready?
Yeah.
Runs a hell of a lot better with that air filter on, doesn't it?
The map worked. It was all in the mapping.
Oh, I'll let the choke out, sorry.
Oh.
Smell that, boy.
Does it smell a bit rich though?
Just smell a bit petrol-y.
There's a strong smell.
Smell running good
Oh,
though.
right. Turn it off.
Did it off?
Yeah, turn
Why,
it
what's
off.
up? Why?
Well, the fuel pump works, just not all of it's getting to the engine.
Yeah, we need to sort that.
Okay, so where is it coming from? It sounds like it's coming from the back. Sounds like it's coming from the back. It looks like it's coming from the back.
Well,
Teamwork, party time, excellent.
God, you can tell some old fuel in there. It stinks. It smells more like paraffin. Yeah, looks like the manual lift pump for the fuel. Do you want to?
Oh, there she is.
Do you want to just quickly fire it up again, Kieran, whilst I'm under here?
Yeah.
So that silver thing there is the manual lift pump, and it looks a bit wet. So fire it up, Kieran.
Start her up.
Yeah. See if it drips out of there.
She's coming on.
Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, it's either from that or it's from the pipe going into the top of it.
Oh, what a guy. Yeah, it's not left of it. Perished. It's exhausted, that's what that is.
Look at that.
Wow.
That's the good end.
Yeah, this is the good end.
Well, it should look like that.
And that's where the leak was from.
It should have come all the way to the end of that red hose, but it's not.
So I'm just fitting the fuel return pipe for the old
Kieran,
carburetor. Yeah.
look at this. Do you reckon this is worth going and getting?
Oh mate, yes.
I've been messaging him and he says he's only in now, so we have to go now.
Where?
Hull.
Oh.
Yeah, an hour and a half away, but we've got to go now. Come on.
Oh, let's go then.
It's too good to miss.
shit.
What do you reckon to them?
Is this what you've just been to pick up?
Yeah. Guess how much these were?
100 quid. 200 quid. 200
Nope.
quid.
Keep going.
100 quid?
Nope. Tenner.
A tenner?
Yeah. Look at them. I couldn't say no to them. That's why I had to rush off. There's so much tread, like, that'll do, yeah. It's mint, buzzing.
Well, there's more than that in tyres.
Yeah.
So we've checked for spark, got it running. A little bit of a backfire and a misfire, but that was solved with the airbox. We found a big fuel leak.
Yeah. A big fuel leak.
Big fuel leak.
Which was the feed to the carb. So we've changed that fuel pipe. Now we've refitted everything and it's fucking running sweet.
Runs like an absolute beauty.
So what's next?
Get it on the deck. Give
Out
it
for a wash.
wash. And then test drive.
Here, boys.
Time to get it outside, get it cleaned, and have a very miserable day. But I think it's time to give it a proper wash. Change of plan. We have a problem.
Zero brakes. Zero brakes. We must. It's like there's a split pipe somewhere. There's literally nothing. Have we got any fluid in it?
No.
Well, not a drop of brake fluid in it.
Okay, so I think we've found it. We took it outside to get it washed, and Rio found there's no brakes. Might be problem averted, it might just need some brake fluid.
Some .4 up top there. Try not to get all my grey hairs in that camera.
Quite hard to miss, to be fair.
You've got fucking problems.
Whoa, whoa, bloody hell.
Don't pump the brakes.
What? Literally went everywhere. It's alright, brake fluid's not corrosive. I think. Oh, it's filling the servo up or something. Hang on, empty again.
Just drink, it's fucking drinking it.
Found it.
In there, inside.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a footwell, a footwell full of brake fluid now. It's just absolutely sodden. You got your brake slave cylinder. Under there is a push rod from your pedal. So I'm guessing the seals have gone inside of there. And just pissing it straight through into the cab. What PSI are you putting in, Lewis?
What do you reckon? 35?
No, not on them.
What do you want?
30 max.
Oh, we're going to go straight up to 52. Less rolling resistance.
If you want a tyre blowing up in your face. Dude, that's showing his bald patch.
Oh, hey Kieran, we can do that. We can do that quiff thing.
Nah, again. Missed your head. Beautiful.
Another successful day here at the unit. Everything mechanically is sound, so no more fuel leaks, oil leaks. We seem all good in that department.
Just got the brakes to sort.
Brakes, minor issue, but we'll do that at some point. Obviously, it's had a lovely clean by our...
Looks brand new. Lewis done mega job.
Thank you.
Mega.
So next, obviously we need to get the brake issue sorted out. We have to buy some bits, get that bolted on. But you've seen what it is. We're just going to crack on and get that done, and then find out when my mum's in, and we'll go for the big reveal and test drive.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see episode 3 when we drop it. Ciao.
Bye.